This edition of Mac Voices is brought to you by Take Control Books, the answers you need now from leading experts. Learn more and download yours at takecontrolbooks.com. Hi, I'm Chuck Joyner. This is Mac Voices at AltWWDC in San Francisco. I'm here with Dave. He is of Arf Software. Arf?
Arf.
Arf.
The dog, yeah.
Like the dog, Arf Software, to tell us about his apps. Dave, it's great to see you.
No, thank you.
So tell me about Arf Software and what all you do and how you do it.
Okay. Well, I started the company about 3 years ago when they came out with the SDK, or shortly after they first came out with the SDK. I did several different apps. I guess most popular one right now is called Voice Changer Plus. It's what it sounds like. It's a novelty app. You record your voice and you can play it back through a bunch of different filters.
And I got to see it yesterday, and I think you described it as a novelty app, but I can see musicians using it. I mean, sure, I can see kids using it too to have some fun, but I can see musicians using it. I can see a lot of different uses for this, aside from maybe being with the NSA.
That's right. I've had some unexpected uses. People use it for recording lectures. It's not really designed for that, but people find creative uses for it. I get feedback from blind users in particular because the app has been it's accessible for vision impaired people, and they appreciate the interface on it. So, yeah.
That intrigues me, the blind users. I mean, because we just had a discussion here on accessibility at AltWWDC. Why? I guess, did you make it that way? Did you intend it to be accessible, or did it just sort of happen that became a feature?
Well, Apple makes it pretty easy for a developer to add accessibility to an app. Basically, most of the, as Charles said in the talk we just were in, most of the heavy lifting was done by Apple already. So it's a small amount of effort for a developer for a big win for a certain group of people. So. I felt good about it.
What other apps do you have other than Voice Changer Plus?
Yeah, Voice Changer Plus is the main one. I have one called A Marble Game for iPad, and there's another one called Bullseye for the phone and for iPod. It's a game, strictly game category.
And I think yesterday you said you've been able to quit your day job and become a full-time developer, which is kind of a great success story.
Yeah, that's right. Just last week, I gave notice, and I'm doing iOS full-time now. So I'm really excited to be here at the conference and find out about the new stuff that I can bring to bear.
The question I've been asking everyone, what was your favorite part of the announcements from the keynote?
From the keynote? I guess really just the changes in the look. It's more than just a coat of paint on iOS 7. It goes pretty deep. Some of the APIs that we have to work with now, especially for me in the audio area. I'm looking forward to working with that.
Your website, so that people can find you and your apps and everything else.
arfsoftware.com, arfsoftware.com.
Dave, thanks so much for the time. Really appreciate it.
Thanks very much.
Folks, we'll have more from AltWWDC in San Francisco. I'm Chuck Joyner, and this is Mac Voices. Visit MacVoices.com for links, show notes, to subscribe, to connect with Chuck on Twitter, app.net, Google+, Facebook, and for more Apple, Mac, and tech-related shows, including Mac Voices, Mac Notables, the Mac Jury, and the Mac Voices Briefing. Advertising handled by Backbeat Media at backbeatmedia.com.